Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study chapter 11 constructions, introduction for exercise 11.1 part 3. So part 2 we studied about how to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle as per the given scale factor. So we had two questions where we have to construct a similar triangle 3 upon 4th of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Another one was 5 upon 3 times. So that is like this. I told you whenever the numerator is smaller, the triangle that we construct will become smaller one, and the numerator is bigger means the triangle that we construct will be bigger one. So how to justify now? For that we have to study basic proportionality theorem. So to understand that, if there is a triangle is there, let's take triangle ABC, and these three sides of the triangles are there. Any one side we draw a parallel line. Okay, so when we draw a parallel line, this line will divide both the sides of the triangle into equal ratio. For example, if I keep it this as a PQ, then this AP will be equal to AB, and then PB will be equal to BC. So we can write this as AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. So this ratio. So this parallel line will divide the triangle into equal ratios. So this side and this side, the ratio will be same. So the meaning is this side will be equal to this side and this part will be equal to this side. So this we call it basic proportionality theorem. Okay, this will be studying in the triangle chapter. Keeping this in mind, now we will come for the justification. Now how to justify? Okay, both I will do it together and show you. Before coming for this video, kindly go through this first introduction for exercise 11.1 part 2, how we constructed. So now we are going to do the justification. So simultaneously both I will do together and show you so that you don't get confused. Now let's take. So this is the triangle. So now we have to prove that this side and this side corresponding sides are 3 upon 4 times. Same way this also we have to prove. So now you take this first figure. I'll just write down here. This is 3 upon 4 and this is 5 upon 3. Okay. So now just see, look at this triangle. Okay. Now I'm just turning it. Now you see this is a triangle B, B4 and C. So if you take this triangle, forget about this side, forget about this side. Okay. So when we take this triangle, this is the parallel line we are constructing. Okay. So when we construct this parallel line, this will divide the triangle into equal ratio. That means B, B3, this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side according to the basic proportionality theorem. When this is parallel. Okay, so when they are parallel, that time this ratio becomes equal. Okay, so that's same thing for this triangle also. Same thing only. Okay, if you take this side, this is B, B5 and C dash. So same way they are parallel means the ratio will be equal. This side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side by basic proportionality theorem. So that's what we are going to write just now. So the first step that you have to write for justification is here, which is parallel, B3 C1 C dash is parallel to B4 and C, and for this B3 C parallel to B5 and C dash. Okay. So first step we have to write that. Since B3 C dash is parallel to B4 C. Same way you have to write here also. Since B3 C is parallel to B5 and C dash. Okay, since they are parallel, this ratio we will write they are equal. B3 upon B3 B4 will be equal to BC dash upon C dash C by basic proportionality theorem. So we consider this as equation 1. Same way you have to write here also. So here, since they are parallel, B3 upon B3 B5 will be equal to BC upon C C dash. Okay. So B3 upon B3 B5 will be equal to BC then C dash by basic proportionality theorem. So we consider this equation 1. So now this is B3 upon B3 B4. Actually what it is? B3 upon B3 B4. Okay. So this. Okay. This is what actually by construction we have divided this how many part? This is how many part? 1, 2, 3. This is 3 part and this is 1 part. So that's what we are going to write. So 3 upon 1 by construction, because we have constructed. By construction. Okay, this is our equation 2. Same way you can say here also. Is equal to how many part? Here how many part we have? 3 part. Here 2 parts. So 3 part and 2 parts by construction. Okay. Equation 2. So now look at this is same thing. So they are equal to this. So same way this same thing is equal to this. So if they are equal, then these two will be in turn equal to each other. So from equation 1 and 2, we will write this as equal. B C dash C dash C will be equal to 3 upon 1. So same way here also we have to write. This justification remains the same, the same step for all the construction that you do. Equation 1 and 2. This is B3 upon B3 B5 to 3 upon 2. Okay. Now let's write down the reciprocal of this. Why? That will come to know. Reciprocal means just the opposite. So C dash C B C dash will be 1 upon 3. Okay. Same way here also you write the reciprocal. So this will come up B3 and B5 B3 2 upon 3. Okay. If you don't write also later on you will have to write only. Okay. Up to here is it clear to you? But now what we have to do is now. Okay. Now what you have to do, you see here, this part, what is this? B C dash C dash C, that is B C dash C dash C. This part, this we have proved because we saw that these ratios are same. Here 3 part means should be here also 3 part. Here 2 part means here also 2 part. Here 1 part means here also 1 part. Okay, this ratio is equal we said. So that means this part, if this is 3 upon 1 means this also will be 3 upon 1. So that's what we have written here. So same way here also. If this is 3 upon 2 means this also will be 3 upon 2. So that's what we have written here. This is a reciprocal we have written. Okay. So this is what we have written. But what we have to prove is, we are not supposed to prove this is 3 upon 1. No. This is not we have to prove. We have to prove that this side, this here small triangle we construct, this small triangle and this big triangle, the sides are the ratio of 3 upon 4. So we have to prove that this side, this is big triangle side and then small triangle side. So for small triangle this side and for big triangle this side. So these two sides of these two triangles are in ratio of 3 upon 4 times. That's what we have to prove. So what we will do, first we will take this side. Okay, so this big side, that is BC upon, so big triangle, right? So big triangle, for big triangle this side is BC, and for small triangle this side is BC dash. Okay, so we will take that. So first this side will take, then we will take the small triangle side. So BC upon BC dash. So BC upon BC dash. So same way here also you write. The big side or big triangle side is this, and for small triangle side is this. So here big triangle side is BC dash, for small triangle side is BC. So BC dash upon BC. Okay. So now this can be written, BC can be written for small triangle. BC is what actually? This is actually what? BC dash. This is plus this. Okay. BC can be written this plus this, right? Same way. BC dash can be written BC plus C dash. Okay. So that's what we are going to write. So BC can be written BC dash plus C dash C. So BC dash plus C dash C. Okay. Upon this BC dash as it is. So same way here also BC dash can be written BC plus C dash. So BC plus C dash. This BC as it is. Okay. So now just see the calculation part of it. Now can we write it separately? BC dash upon BC dash plus C dash C upon BC dash. So same way you can write here also. Separately you write. Sorry. BC upon BC, then plus C dash upon BC. Okay. So now you see this two get cancelled. We will have 1 plus. Now this is why I wrote the reciprocal here. You see the value for this here. 1 upon 3. Same thing. Reciprocal we have to write. When you come to this step, if you have forgotten to write the reciprocal, when you come to this side, you will see this is the same thing. So you have to write the value. Okay. So this value will write down here. Is it okay? So now take the LCM. LCM how we do? Here in the denominator we consider 1 is there. So both the side we multiply with the 3, then we get the denominator 3. So both side when we multiply, 3 into 1 will be 3 plus this 1 will be as it is. Here also 3, here also 3 it will become. No, both the side when we multiply with 3. So 3. Then what we get? 4 upon 3. So what is this actually? BC. BC upon BC dash. Okay. So same way you can do here also. This gets cancelled. So 1 plus this value is here 2 upon 3. So when you take the LCM, 3 plus 2 and 3. So we get 5 upon 3. And what is that? BC dash upon BC. Okay. Up to here clear? So now just look at it. BC upon BC dash is what? BC upon BC dash. So this side we have proved. Okay. BC, the first triangle, biggest triangle, and then small triangle. So here one twist. Which one we are constructing, that side we have to write first. Here we have constructed the smaller one, and here we constructed the bigger one. So if smaller one is constructed, then first when we write the ratio, we have to take the first side will be smaller triangle side, because this is what we have constructed. The similar one, this is what we have constructed. So first you have to take this side first. That means BC dash upon then the bigger triangle side, original triangle, that is BC. So first what we have constructed, that you have to take BC dash upon then the bigger triangle side, that is BC. When we come here, which one we have constructed here? Here the original one is small one. What we have constructed one was bigger one. So what we will do first, we have to take the bigger side. Okay. So you have to write first when you are writing the ratio BC dash upon then you will take the original triangle side. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. So here you see BC upon BC dash. So BC upon BC dash. So this is coming as a 4 upon 3, but we have to prove 3 upon 4. So what we have to do first, what we have constructed is small triangle. So we have to write first BC dash upon then the bigger triangle side BC. So this is what we have constructed. So first we'll write this side, then we take the bigger side triangle. So what we will do, this we will write the reciprocal. Okay, BC dash will come up and BC will come down. So that is the case, 3 will come up, 4 will come down. So we have proved now 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4, that is BC dash upon BC. BC dash upon BC. Okay, is it clear to you? Whereas here, what we have constructed is bigger triangle. So we will take BC dash upon BC. So here it comes exactly BC dash upon BC. So here comes correctly. Here you have to write the reciprocal of it. Okay, this you have to remember when you are justifying. Up to here clear? Okay. So we have proved one side of the triangle. One side of this we have proved that this is what we have constructed here. So this side upon the bigger triangle side is equal to 3 upon 4. And here also we have proved what we have constructed here is bigger triangle. So BC dash upon BC is 5 upon 3. Okay, 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So this side we have proved, this side we have proved. Same way you have to prove for this side also and this side also. Same way for this also, this side and this side you have to prove. So what we will do for that, I'll just rotate and show you now this triangle. Now forget about this side. Okay, so we have proved that this side is, this triangle what we constructed is 3 upon 4 times of the original triangle. Okay, this side we have proved. Now if you see in this triangle, this angle and this angle becomes corresponding angle. So this becomes corresponding angle. So by angle criteria, we can say that this small triangle is similar to this bigger triangle. Okay, so by angle criteria, if they are similar, then the sides of their ratio also are equal to each other. Okay, so that theory we apply here. And so if this ratio is 3 upon 4 means this also should be 3 upon 4 and the third side also should be 3 upon 4. Okay, so if small triangle what we have constructed of that side upon the bigger triangle side is 3 upon 4 means this side also, the small triangle side upon the big triangle side ratio will be equal to this side. So same way the third side of small side of this triangle will be upon the big triangle side, this side upon. So all three sides the ratio will be equal. So that's what we are going to do here also. Same way this becomes the corresponding angle and therefore the big triangle that is formed, that side upon the small side of this triangle ratio will be equal to the other three sides. Okay, so you can write here by angle we can say that triangle, here the original triangle is ABC. This is the original triangle, bigger one. So triangle ABC will be similar to, we constructed small one, that is A dash, B and C dash. So triangle A dash, B and C dash. So by angle criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash, B and C dash. So you can write down now all three sides. All three sides how you will write down? I told you what we have constructed is smaller triangle. So first you have to write that side of the triangle first. BC dash is the first. So BC dash upon. So BC dash you will write first. Then you will write the same side, the bigger triangle ka same side you will write. That is BC. So BC will be equal to, now the other side is small triangle first, BA dash. BA dash upon, now bigger triangle is BA is equal to, now this side small triangle side is A dash and C dash. A dash C dash upon, this is small triangle side. Now bigger triangle side is AC. AC will be equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, by angle criteria. So same way you can write here also by angle criteria. Here the original triangle was small one, right? ABC. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle, and what we have constructed was the bigger one, A dash, B and C dash. A dash, B and C dash. So here what we will write first, what we have constructed was bigger one. So you have to write first bigger one. Here what we constructed smaller one, that's why we took first the smaller side. Here we constructed the bigger one, so bigger side you will write first B, C dash. So B, C dash upon, okay, bigger side we wrote. Now the small triangle side is BC. BC is equal to, now this side, bigger triangle side is BA dash. BA dash upon, smaller triangle side is BA. BA is equal to, now this side, bigger side triangle is A dash C dash. A dash C dash upon, then small triangle side is AC. Will be equal to, you see, BC dash BC. So by angle criteria, all three sides will be same. So 5 upon 3. That's how you have to prove the justification. I hope it is clear to you. The steps are same only. The steps are same. Nothing to change. You have to once or twice or thrice you do. This justification will become by heart for you. For all the construction that you are going to do, where you have to construct the similar triangles into a given ratio, the justification step remains the same. Only you have to understand first what you have to write, second what you have to write. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.